Spring isn't just a time for nature to blossom, it's your smile's turn to shine too. Welcome to Channel Island Family Dental, where we're dedicated to making your smile as vibrant and healthy as the season. Spring into a healthier smile with us. We're thrilled to offer you the ultimate dental spring cleaning experience, complete with the latest in dental care and special seasonal promotions. Our 5 must-do steps for spring cleaning your teeth are designed not just to refresh your smile, but to transform your approach to dental health. Step 1 is all about getting ahead with a routine checkup. Thanks to our spring discounts, there's no better time to start. Step 2 brings the essence of spring cleaning to your dental care, with a professional cleaning that leaves your teeth sparkling. Don't overlook the importance of refreshing your at-home dental tools in Step 3. We have recommendations for all ages. Step 4 reminds us that even the small details, like checking the expiry dates on your dental products, play a big role in oral health. And Step 5? It's time to consider cosmetic dentistry. Let's enhance your smile together with treatments tailored just for you. Coming here was the best decision for my dental health. The team made me feel at home, and my smile has never been brighter. This spring, take a leap towards a healthier, brighter smile with Channel Island Family Dental. Our doors are open and our hearts are ready to welcome you to our family.
Thank you very much for what you have explained. If you have any questions about this or other topics, you can contact us at Channel Island Family Dental, as well as our Facebook page. We look forward to your visit, and we will make a timely diagnosis. Our dentists in Oxnard, Santa Pola, Ventura, Newbury Park, and Port Hueneme will be able to guide you towards the best treatment to take care of your health and give you back your best smile.